Hello students, today I am going to teach you best trick for multiplication. For multiplication you need to know table from 2 to 9 which is more than enough. Now I am going to teach you how to make table of any number however big it is. This method is called 1 to 5 method. आपको 2 से 9 के टेबल तो आते हैं तो काफी है। अब मैं आपको बड़े से बड़े नंबर का टेबल कैसे बनाते हैं उसका आसान तरीका बता रही हूँ। Today I am going to teach you how to make your own tables by using abacus method. This method is called 1 to 5 method. We can make any tables by this method. So today we are going to learn 12th table. So I'll start with 12 tables, but we need 1 time, 2 time and 5 times of 12. So 1 time, we'll find out 1 time of 12. 1 time means 12 into 1. 12 into 1 is 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. That is 12. Now we have to find out 2 time of 12. So 2 time of 12 means 12 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. That is 24. Now 5 time. 5 time of 12. We are going to find out. So it is 12 into 5. 5 2s are 10. So we'll write 0, 1 carry over. 5 1s are 5. Plus 1 that is 6. That is 60. Now we will start with 12's table. 12 1s are 12. So 12 into 1 is equal to 1 time we already have. So it is 12. Now 12 2s are. 12 2s are I already have. That is 24. Now I am going to start with 12 3s are. Now in abacus we know 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 in abacus. So 2 time, what is 2 time? 2 time is 24. Plus 1 time, that is 12. Add both. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I got it 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 12 into 4. In abacus, 4 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 time it is 24. Again 2 time, again 24. We'll add both. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 12 into 4 is equal to 48. 12 into 5. 5 time I already have, that is 60 is equal to 60. Now I'll start with 12 6ja. Now we will start with 12 6ja. 12 into 6. In abacus, 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now we need 5 time. 5 time already have, that is 60. Plus 1 time, that is 12. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I got 12 into 6 is equal to 72. 12 into 7. In abacus, 7 is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7. I already have 5, that is 60. I already have 2 time, that is 24. We'll add both. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So 12 into 7 is equal to 84. Now 12 into 8. In abacus, 8 is equal to 5 plus 3. that is 8. 5 we already have, that is 60. Plus we have to add 3. 3 means 2 plus 1. Plus 2 and plus 1. We'll add both, that is 60. Plus 2 time, that is 24. Plus 1 time, that is 12. We'll add all. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That is 96. So 12 into 8 is equal to 96. Now 12 into 9 is equal to, in abacus, 9 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 I already have, that is 60. Plus 2, 4. 4 means 2 plus 2. So 60 plus 2, that is 24. Again 2 plus 24. We'll add all. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. That is 12 into 9 is equal to 108. Now last, 12 into 10. When you do 12 into 10, you just have to write 12 and you have to add 0 of 10. That is 120. That is 12 tens are 120. In this way, you can make any tables 13, 14, 15 or any other. If you liked our video, please give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.